What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are bringing you a new video on a token that has just released. We're talking about SAPE or SAPE, the Swap Safe token. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for daily content and new tokens that are coming to the market. Thank you to the SAPE team for sponsoring this video. We're going to take a look at the project, what they're all about, into the white paper, and equally the price. So jumping on to the website, a very nice looking website. Love the graphic on the top. You can see the icon at the top. We've got the buy, SAPE, and the swap safe, which I kind of really like. We have a swap feature we're going to take a look at, and equally, like I said, the white paper. So what is it? A multi-chain swap for our investors to use and trade safely. Beta version 1 of the SAPE swap is now live and running. This is still work in progress and working towards additional functionalities. There is feedback from the swap. There is a feedback form within the swap. Please leave your suggestions so the community can influence what that looks like. SAPE swap is only piece of the SAPE or APE ecosystem. All the utilities will generate rewards for our holders. Please refer to the white paper above for more details. So if we click on to the swap, we get the swap where we can change our tokens on here by just connecting your wallet, and then you change them to whatever token you want. So kind of nice. Again, it's in beta. You can report bugs if you want to do that, and it takes you over here to the report a bug on the swap feature. Equally, we can see trading, so you can bring up the DEX screener and have a look at the tokens and what the performance of those tokens are, which, if you think about it, is a very nice feature on the website. Loving using the DApp feature of it. You can see you can swap quite a few tokens. Let's get into the real nitty-gritty of this token and the tokenomics that I'm sure everybody's interested in seeing. So 1 trillion is a total supply, which is a really good supply actually. We're seeing more and more projects with lower amounts of tokens, which obviously generates a slightly higher price that you buy in, but I do think it's better. Max burn at 30 billion. Max buy at 30 billion, max wallet size 30 billion, which again, protecting those investors so they don't get completely dumped on. 100% added to liquidity, which is huge. No team tokens, no pre-sale. So pretty exciting, pretty solid in terms of tokenomics. There's some very good tokenomics. We've not seen something as good as that for a long time. The tax fee splits, a buy fee at 5%. You can see how that's split into claim rewards, liquidity, market and development, and sell at 12. So 5% buy is really nice, 12% sell fee. And here we're seeing some more and more of this. The 2-hour sell tax at 20%. What does that mean? When this token launched, for the first 2 hours, it was a 20% tax sell. I have seen that as high as 50% in some tokens. 20%, it adds to the liquidity pool, and it hopefully stops people selling big bags. Add that to the max wallet side, really supports that early investor into the project. And you can see again how that's split across the individual wallets. We're taking a look at the roadmap. So the first stage, March 22, which they have launched. Deploy and add liquidity, done. Website release, done. Uniswap stealth launch, which was done, and a successful one. Liquidity is locked. Early marketing. The swap beta is live. And again, this token has only been out about 3 or 4 days. 500 Telegram members, white paper launch, and a $2 million market cap. We'll get into the full stats when we take a look on the DEX. Coming in April 22, CG and CMC listings, DEX tools trading, smart contract audit, big crypto influencers, 1,000 holders, $5 million market cap. And then on to the big news. Stage 3, stage 4, as they ramp everything up. So listings on the top 30 exchange, website V2, multi-chain bridge between BSC, Phantom and Matic, 2,500 holders, $20 million market cap, giveaways and contests, and then into stage 4 coming May 22, multi-chain SAPE swap with low gas fees. The DAO governance platform, love to see a DAO in a project, listed on more centralized exchanges, KYC certificate, $50 million market cap, roadmap V2 May 22. So they will adapt and grow their roadmap as the project continues to grow. So let's get into the white paper and take a look at what it's all about and what they are offering to you as an investor. Again, before you invest in any project, please make sure you do your own research and make sure that you are happy to invest what you are prepared to lose in crypto. That's always a good way to keep yourself safe. So the welcome to the SAPE ecosystem formed by the SAPE and the BSAPE. Enjoy. So let's take a look. So the SAPE, the Genesis token and the reward token, how does it work? Let me zoom out a little bit, might be a little bit easier. How does it work? So we've got the building a safest ecosystem for apes to ape in by combining 2 types of smart contracts, meaning it will include 2 projects. So the SAPE or the SAPE, is designed to be the genesis token of the SAPE ecosystem, and the BS SAPE is the baby reward token created for the SAPE ecosystem, meaning a massive capital gains, high rewards to all the holders. So they're kind of like the two token project that they're doing. It's designed with intelligent financial blueprint, guarantees success and longevity. Apart from the rewards, they will offer a new and already trusted fair launch for everyone to have a fair chance to buy it early, which they did. And a stealth launch, I always quite like a stealth launch, I've got to be honest. Every SAPE holder will receive an airdrop of BSAPE tokens, 20% of their total SAPE tokens, so they got airdropped out to everyone that was in there. When we take a look at that ecosystem, you can see all the bits that go into it. So the swap, the reward claim, NFT staking, farming and bridge. NFT staking is going to be huge. If you don't know what that is, definitely go and check it out. Into the DApp, and then that is going to generate all these tokens, and then equally into more of these claimable paid gas fees, claim rewards, the vault, where tokens and projects will get held, and it will obviously then buy back and support back the investors. NFT sale, 500 pieces of their NFTs. When we look into the cash flow, again, you can see how that's going to be supported. So the reward holders get 50% rewards on NFT staking, the swap into the DApp into development. It's a really nice looking white paper, and you can kind of see how all of that transpires into the market in buybacks and the claim rewards. So what are the utilities that they're going to bring us? So it's powered by a strong and fine community. It's backed by big names in the crypto meme space. They're going to bring a DApp support that in terms of rewards, and equally a cross-chain swap, and I think that's going to become more and more important as we go through this next year. And then equally, the baby reward token will be used to power the strong and unified community and team. The staking collection will be airdropped across, and the holders receive an airdrop of the baby SAPE tokens and 20% of their total, and there'll be 500 NFTs available for sale as well, so that's pretty exciting. How you claim rewards kind of just tells you how to go and do that. And then into the tokenomics, which we kind of have had a look at. Again, it's that's the one, the SAFE we looked at. The baby rewards is slightly different, 12% buy, 12% sell, and again this 20% in the first 2 hours, and you can see how that's split across there. Why hold them? So you can only swap if you hold the Ape, DAO access if you hold at least 1%, and you can mint the Ape King's NFTs and exclusive access to private telegrams with crypto influencers. Likewise with the Baby Ape, you can claim rewards on 3 levels, ETH, Ape and SAPE. If you own one SAPE King NFT, rewards 50% higher, NFT staking, token staking and bridge, so you can earn that passive income holding this token. We then take a look at some of the NFTs. Gotta say, love the 3D design, really like what this looks like. What do they value? And I think this is important to understand where a token is. The community, the investor safety, and the holder rewards. We've looked at the swap, and we also have the Sefu DApp coming, and the thank you page, and they are safe with us. I always like to jump onto Token Sniffer just so I can see what's going on in terms of the contract, as I'm not an expert in contracts. And you can see 95 out of 100, the only one thing, selfie is less than 10%, it's 17.2% right now in terms of the selfie. Other than that, everything is, tickety-boo in terms of what you would expect. Good level of liquidity locked away. Create a wallet contains less than 5%, actually creates 0%, which is exciting. But look, liquidity does unlock in 88 days, so just be mindful of that when you are looking into it. So let's take a look at what the price action is. So just over 100k in volume, nearly 500,000 in market cap, so extremely low market cap, only 360 holders on this project. Has had its initial ride when it launched, and then has had the normal dip. What you see with projects launch is now seeing some nice recovery over nearly 10% for the day. 4798 is the price, but some good level of recovery coming out of SAPE. So pretty interesting token. Again, always do your own research before you ape in to a token, but this one could be worthwhile. Go and have a look at it. It's certainly talking a lot. Token Sniffer says it's good. Again, do your own research, and guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.